I'm going to quickly show you how storage sense works. So all you have to do is go to the search box on the taskbar, type in storage, and you can click on turn on storage sense. Make sure it's turned on. This will basically manage all the unnecessary files, temp files, all that. It will clean it out for you, so you don't really have to do anything. Make sure that's on, and then you can go through all the settings if you want to. You can do this only once. So in apps, you can actually uninstall apps from here. In temp files, it will list all the temp files that you can actually manually clean out. Let me just see. Yeah, you can just select the files that you want deleted, remove the files now, but it will do it by itself. Show more categories. Okay, it will just show you all your folders. Then you go to configure storage sense. So you can configure it to either once a day, week, month, or during low free disk space. You can delete temporary files or disable that. You can delete the files in your recycle bin. Set it to how many days, either never or 60 days. You can delete the files in your download folder. I set it to never because I don't want that. And then you can, if you want to manually clean out your system now, you can just click on clean now. And that's basically storage sense for you. So you set it up once, and then it will run by itself, keeping your system clean. Well, that's it. Thanks.